Thank you, Karan.
That's been very sweet of you. So now my question to you is, I mean, because this is such a female-dominant subject, the movie, and
Yes.
what better platform to promote it than this particular one? What made you take up this particular role?
For me, I think it wasn't a very difficult decision to make. I get to play the title role, and it's such a beautiful script, and a great director who's already won a national award. And Phantom are the producer who are doing many big films. So I wouldn't say that I've done something amazing by choosing this project. But I think I've been fortunate to get a role like this where I could actually unleash my creative energy. Yeah.
Absolutely. Vikas, women truly are the queens. Do you agree?
I go through my phases too.
Me too. But here, yeah, you have to say yes. Okay, my question to you is, what kind of a queen is Kangana in the movie, and why the title Queen?
The title Queen, actually, it's a simple title because whenever we travel and we meet new people, actually just two ways that you break the ice. Either you're a smoker and you ask for a light, and that's an easy way to break the ice, or you ask for someone, what does their name mean? And I went through this myself because someone asked me, what does my name mean? And I was like, why did my dad call me Progress? You know, because Vikas and Progress. So, but her journey is simple. It's her boyfriend used to call her Queen. And when she travels, then she meets people from many, many countries. And they all call her Queen. But that's the superficial, the top layer of it. But how she discovers herself and is there a queen inside her or not is what is her journey all about.
Super. And Kangana, in this movie, you go on your honeymoon alone.
Yes.
Please share the experience.
Well, the thing is that this is a travel film. So the girl travels across Europe on her own, and she meets many characters, many people, makes friends, and explore different cuisines and passion and everything. So the story is more of a journey of
Self-discovery.
Yeah. So I think it's called. Honeymoon is just one that courageous decision, that one decision that changes her life forever. But it's not really like a typical honeymoon, I'd say. Like.
Yeah, because you can't go alone on a typical honeymoon.
Honeymoon alone is what everyone wants to go through once in their life. And she
Yeah.
got to go through it. So.
Alone.
Yeah, I think.
Okay,
I'm
on
very
that note, I'm going to do something really courageous. I'm going to come there, and I'm going to do that.
Okay.
Don't worry. She's looking at me as if, come here. Vikas, please come here. We're going to do a rapid fire. No claps? Yeah, we're going to do a rapid fire. Or फटाफट जवाब देना यार. Okay? एकदम quickly.
We're in the movie business, we take our time.
यार नहीं यार. We don't have so much time.
ये television नहीं है, ये movie है, we'll take our time.
अच्छा चलो, you take your time. We begin with the queen, of course.
Sure.
Kangana,
Yes.
please describe Vikas as a director in one word.
In one word, spontaneous.
Super. Describe Kangana as an actor in one word.
Rainbow.
Rainbow. क्या बात है. And Kangana as a human being in one word.
Time bomb.
Time bomb. Vikas के लिए आप एक शब्द. कुछ भी.
As a
human being.
director?
Yeah, as a human being.
Friend.
Friend.
Yes.
Okay, and one thing you hate about him.
Just friends.
Just friends. They're just friends. Okay, they're just friends. So tell me one thing you hate about Vikas. Like you want to change it right now.
I think sometimes Sir tend to panic.
He tends to panic.
Yeah.
You become a woman sometimes.
All the time.
All the time. And one thing you would love to change about Kangana.
I want to get rid of those heels, man. I feel so
We
short.
can't even see them. Can we see them? Lovely, lovely. Vikas, I wish you all the very best. I hope your movie grosses all the money, 100, 200, 300. You make a new benchmark. My best wishes. And ladies and gentlemen,
Thank you.
do not miss Queen in a theater near you very soon. Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you.
आप नहीं जा सकती.
Okay.
आपके लिए कुछ special है हमारे पास.
Oh, I would love to stay.
Ladies and gentlemen, this lady right here is one of the finest talents in our country.
Thank
One of the
you.
most gorgeous actors we have produced, and you have to have a look at her body of work.
Oh, wow.
She has given new dimensions to acting on screen. An effortless scene stealer, she can give the biggest of them a run for their money when it comes to emoting. Whether it's the high-voltage drama of Fashion and Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, or the rip-tickling comedy in Tannu Weds Mannu and Double Dhamal, or a spitfire performance in a superhero science fiction film like Krish 3, she has been matchless in all the genres. A breathtaking beauty and a terrific talent, this national award winner is India's precious possession in cinema today. Presented the 4th Great Women Awards Middle East 2014 for distinction in cinema acting to Miss Kangana Ranawat.
Read the entire script of the film. Okay. One thing I would like to say about Kangana is that each time I see her film or her photo in a magazine, she looks so different, and I have to say, "Arey, ye ladki maine dekhi hai yaar pehle kahin." She has this great ability as an actress to change her persona in each film. God bless you, Kangana.
Thank you, sir.
And the award goes from one Khadu to another.
Yes, that's true.
So this is a huge moment. May I please request all three of you to take one walk down this ramp for Beti and for all the women achievers tonight.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, fucking likely.
A huge round of applause for Kangana Ranaut and Queen.
Hello, partner.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Did you miss me?
Just a little bit. So I have a bit of a surprise for you, Karan.
Tell me.
Karan, शादी करोगे?
Like really? You
Yeah.
missed me so much?
Yeah, I mean, no, not with me, but would you like for me to arrange your marriage?
No, of course not. I'm still a boy. I'm not even ready. I mean, I don't think I can.
You
I'm not
really
ready. No.
not ready?
No, not ready. Not at all.
Oh, come on then. So I have a proposition for you.
Okay.
How about I send you to a coaching class for marriage?
She is so interested to know that. Yes, I will go to a coaching class and become the Prem of Rajshri.
Fine, so you've agreed to do this challenge, right?
Absolutely agreed.
Fine, ladies and gentlemen, while our dear Karan starts his tutorials here, please enjoy the stunning spectacle of the Great Fat Indian Wedding.